welcome back to my channel. Be positive, be active. This time, I would like to thank Rowe. I'm so excited. Actually, I received this box yesterday morning, pero wala akong time na i-unbox ito. Gustong-gusto ko na sanang buksan, kaso lang gusto ko sana mag-cheat na i-open ko tapos mag-unbox, kaso parang hindi siya yung reaction ko. Gusto ko talaga makita ninyo kung ano ang reaction ko, kung makikita ko kung anong sa loob nito. So, si Rafaela is also very excited. That's why she's joining me. Because sabi niya, Mom, mag-unbox din ako. So, i-unbox din natin ang kanyang natanggap na mystery box.
Shout out to Arifa who gave me the box.
Shout out to Rowe and shout out to Arifa. Thank you so much sa aming napakabait na subscribers. God bless you. So, ready na kami sa pag-unbox nito? 3, 2, 1. Are you ready? So, why do you want to join me unboxing this?
So that we could be together unboxing.
Oh, I think that would be more fun.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Wow, what's inside? What's this? Potato! Sorry. Potato essence mask sheet. Oh, hindi ba makinis yung face ko? Pero thank you so much. Thank you, Rowe. You're so kind. Firming moisturizing. So, I hope sa next vlog ko, medyo okay na yung face ko. Nahiya naman ako sa aking subscriber. Wow. Ito pa. Oh, this is what I really want to have. May gagamitin na tayo sa. Thank you so much, Rowe. Winner ka talaga.
It must be like this, Mom.
Wow. So it's more convenient when we take our video. Okay. Thank you so much, Rowe. It's very useful. And, oh, no. Ito, ano to? Oh, ito yung mga intermission. Maraming plastic. Kasi ako mahilig ako sa... Oh, okay. Should be here.
It must connect together. Like
Wow.
this. Then
Okay, we're gonna fix it.
put your
Thank you
phone
for the
here.
plastic. I can use this in the future. This is also very useful. What do you call that? Reuse. Okay, I'm gonna reuse this. Thank you so much.
Here.
Yay! And this time, meron pa kaming i-unbox. Nanggaling ito kay Arifa. What do you think? Okay, let's gonna use this.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin yung difference ng video natin na wala tayong ganito. So, ipapakita natin kung paano natin ginagawa ang ganitong video without this one. Please check this out. So, goodbye trophy. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Pinapatong ko dito yung cam. O kaya dito. So, goodbye trophy. Meron na akong gagamitin sa aking pag-vlog. Thank you, Rowe. Yung kay Rafaela naman, yung buksan natin.
Shout out to Arifa who gave me this box. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arifa. You're so sweet. So we are so excited what's in the box. So Rafaela, I
It's hard to
think
open, Mom.
it's hard to open, so okay. I help you. It's a mystery box. There, can you guess what's inside?
Yes.
Wow, what's that?
Oh, it's clay! Thank you so much, Arifa. I really love clay. Here, so that you guys can see. Pink clay, then yellow clay. Ooh, pink and purple paint. More sequins. Glitter. Ooh, there's a little
Arifa, thank you so much.
Have so many blessings.
You're so blessed, me dear.
Yeah. Blue, orange clay. There's a lot of clay. There are 4 clays, you guys.
Oh, can you show them?
Oh, sure.
I still have more.
Wait, we have more clay. There's also the lighter pink. A lot of clay. 2 more clay. Oh, okay. Is there more? Oh, there's more. Ooh, fish bowls. And black clay.
Oh, I'm gonna open.
Black
What's this?
paint.
Wow.
Ooh, these are like a Pokemon card, but it's a My Little Pony version, which is super duper cool. I heard that from Arifa. Ooh, there's more clay, you guys. More clay. There's purple, then glitter, purple glitter, white clay, then bronze and pink glitter. I already said the white clay. Also some blue sequins, green glitter, green clay, sorry. Orange glitter and glitter. Also, whoa, pink stars and some blue sequins. Thank you so much, guys, for watching our
Thank
video.
you so much.
Thank you for stopping by.
Yeah, so if you like this video, please don't forget to
Like, subscribe,
and
turn
click
on that notification bell so that you won't miss our latest videos.
My name is Belle.
And my name is Rafala. Together we are the Building Natives.
Yeah.
Bye.
Be positive.
Be active.
See you next time.